beautiful, beautiful, beautiful angel. Love your imperfections, every anger. Tomorrow comes and goes before you know. So I just had to let you know the way that Gucci look on you amazing. But nothing can compare to when you naked. Now we're backward into many, got you faded. You're saying you the one for me, I need to flex it. Started when we were younger. Swear to God that I loved her. Sorry that your mom found out. Guess that we just really had the thunder. Ain't nobody else that I be under. Beautiful, beautiful life right now. Beautiful, beautiful night right now. No, no, no. Hey. Beautiful, 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 beautiful angel. Love your imperfections, every anger. Tomorrow comes and goes before you know. I just had to let you know the way that Gucci look on you amazing. And nothing can compare to when you naked. Tomorrow comes and goes before you know. So I just had to let you know. I just had to let you know.
Alam ko naman na balang araw, magagawa mo kung ano yung mga gusto mong gawin sa buhay. Andito lang ako lagi. Gagawin ko lahat para sa'yo. At saka, alam mo namang mahal na mahal na mahal kita.
What if we're living in a fantasy? Some world that I could only dream.
So sa ano naman, sobrang bait naman yan at saka mapagkumbaba. So yun yung sobra ko talagang sa kanyang ina-admire.
A hidden land for you and me.
Nasaan ka man sa mundo o talikuran ka man ng lahat, you have us by your side. I love you, brother. Happy birthday.
Mystery.
You may shine, you may perish sometimes, but you will be cherished by a lot, by thousands, and I am one of them.
Around.
Thank you din po sa pag-uunawa po sa amin minsan. Thank you po sa lahat.
Take my hand and I will lead the way.
Salamat na humaba pa ang buhay mo. More blessings to come. I love you.
We love you always, ate. Happy birthday ulit po.
Stay behind.
Sana hindi ka magbago. Kung ano yung pinakita mo sa amin, ganun pa rin. Basta enjoy mo lang yung mo, pagdadalag.
Huwag ka magbabago, yun lang. Basta maging maayos lang maging karir mo.
Happy birthday, Angel! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Angel.
Love you! Magkakasama at magbanding pa tayo lagi. Stay humble, stay pretty, ate. Walang
Payo ko lang sa iyo po, magtapos ka ng iyong pag-aaral. Dahil iyan ang magiging sandata mo sa lahat ng mga pangarap mo upang marating mo ang anumang pangarap mo sa buhay.
Happy birthday, Nicole. We love you.
So Angel, you know naman kung ano yung mga wish ni Mami para sa'yo. Naiiyak ako. But anyway, I love you so much. Happy birthday again.
Happy birthday, Nicole.
Happy birthday, ate.